Leftover garlic mashed potato quesadillas recipe. Yield 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Total time 25 minutes. Ingredients: quesadillas. 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters vegetable oil. 3 medium red bell peppers julienned. 2 red onions julienned. 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters vegetable oil. Half a teaspoon cumin. Half a teaspoon paprika powder. Half a teaspoon dried oregano. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters vegetable oil. 4 large tortillas gluten-free, if desired. 2 to 3 cups 325 grams to 650 grams garlic mashed potatoes, dairy-free. Ingredients: salsa * 2 large Roma tomatoes, diced. 1 garlic clove, finely chopped. 1/4 red onion, finely chopped. 1/2 lime, juiced, approximately 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon chili powder. Ingredients: guacamole * 2 avocados, mashed. 1 lime, juiced, approximately 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. 1/4 red onion, finely chopped. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. Directions. 1. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon vegetable oil on medium-high and add the bell peppers and onions. Sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add a splash of water and then the spices, stir to combine. Once water has evaporated, set aside. 2. Prepare the salsa and guacamole by adding all ingredients to a bowl and mixing. Set aside. 3. To prepare the quesadillas, spread the mashed potato filling on 1/2 of a tortilla. Add the onion and bell pepper filling on top, and fold the tortilla in half, firmly pressing down. Heat 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Place 2 quesadillas in the pan and gently press down with a spatula. Place a lid on the pan to ensure the filling warms up. When the tortillas turns lightly golden and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes, flip the quesadilla and cook the other side until golden brown. 4. Repeat this for the other 2 quesadillas. Remove from the pan, cut, and serve with a side of guacamole, salsa and hot sauce. Enjoy. Notes. 1. Speed it up. To speed up this recipe, serve the quesadillas with store-bought salsa and/or guacamole. 2. Variations. Feel free to add your own vegetable fillings including sautéed zucchini, mushrooms, corn, or beans. 3. Make ahead. This is a great make-ahead recipe. Prepare the mashed potatoes and filling the day before and place in the fridge. Dinner will be served in under 10 minutes the next day. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos please subscribe and like our channel.